Okay guys, this is the manhole. This is the manhole of my deep well. Yeah, you know, I cut only that one. And if you can see guys, there's what do you call this one? There's two pipe over here. This pipe is for the sump pump, and this pipe is for the engine. Over there, there's a motorbike there, and that is the water, guys. I don't know if you can see it clearly. You know, that is circle, not square, not all the blocks. And then from this one, going here, and this pipe, guys, that this is not what to call it. This is the other pipe that in the right side. And from the sump pump, guys, from the sump pump, the other side is going up here and directly up here there. If I turn it on, this one, the water from the sump pump will going to go to the tank over there. And if we are using the what the call this one, sorry for this one guys, I wasn't clean it, this one. Oh, if we are using the water for the garden, I close this one so the water will not going to come up. Sorry for that, my god, my flame. Going to come up to the tank, so that tank we're not going to be overload. So the water will going to come out here, and then that's the hose, right? And if I'm using this one, guys, this engine, I will come back to the sump pump. If I'm using the sump pump, guys, to go up there in the tank, what do you call this one, I need to turn off this one, so the water will not going to come back there in the well. So in case of this one too, if I'm using this engine, I need to turn off this one too, because if this one is open, the water will going to come down to in the deep well. So that is my idea. And yeah, you know, if you can see there in what you call this one, in my water tank over there, only one pipe there that yeah, you know, to fill that water over there. And that is my setup. And that is the reason why that I have a good pressure of water if we are watering the garden. It's because I'm using the sump pump down there going out here. And that one too, guys, is the supply for my house. This one, supply from the tank over there, the tank, and supply to the house of mama and my house too as well. You know, so let's go there inside in my house, guys. Yeah, someone would like to see my bathroom, my what to call this one, my shower. It's a little bit mess. This is my DIY air freshener. And I'm not yet making the breakfast of Kuya Naki. Ooh, open sesame. And that's it. That one, guys, I have that is light, and there's fan on that too. Look at that one. There's a fan, light directly fan, and that one is exhaust fan too as well, going out there. And that is my shower, and this is my heater, water heater. And this is what I'm talking, guys. I wasn't put that yet the box. I will make it a wooden box later on. Yeah, this afternoon. And this is the one that I'm using for the what do you call this one, booster pump for the shower. So the shower will going to so awesome. Look at that one, guys. I will turn it on. This one is turned on for the shower. And yeah, you know, look at that one, guys, shower. And look at this one, switch on. You can choose what to call this one, automatic and normal. Look at the water, guys. Yan, yeah, look at the pressure. Oh my god. So that's all, guys, and I thank you. I need to come back now, guys, making dinner. I'm making breakfast rather of Koyanaki. Thank you so much. Bye for now.